You and I must have probably grown up listening to the fact that diabetes is something which is genetic. But well, today I've got with me somebody who's broken all of these myths for all of us, and that's none other than integrative nutritionist and health coach Neha Ranglani. How important a role diet particularly plays, right, as far as triggering diabetes is concerned or even balancing it is concerned. That's the first part of the question. And second, the whole myth around causes of diabetes, if you could highlight those as well.
So the first part of the question I would want to answer that your food is the basis of your being. It's the raw material which builds your cell.
Correct.
Right? Every cell of yours needs magnesium, potassium, sodium, protein, fat, carbs, everything. Your body needs the raw material to do what it has to do. So if you're not feeding your body correct, then your body has to make up ways to sort of deal with the imbalance that you're bringing in because of your diet in ways where the body tries to protect you. So you have to understand one thing: the body is always protecting you. In no way it's for you. It's not against you. Your body is your best friend. It's doing everything inside you without you knowing. You don't have the slightest clue of what your body is doing inside, but it's trying to balance you in the most beautiful way. It's us who's not giving the body the right thing. So when you give your body, like I said earlier, giving your body a lot of foodless foods, a lot of foods which have toxins, and they don't have fiber, they're highly refined, the blood sugar levels really go haywire because your blood sugar levels rise, and then there's a sudden spike, and that spike and fall eventually causes a lot of problem, inflammation, insulin resistance, and then that leads to a lot of sugar balance issues, eventually leading to diabetes. Also inflammation of your pancreas, so when your body is not able to produce enough insulin or not able to do justice. So there are a lot of factors which can lead to diabetes, and in every case it's different. For different people it could be different factors which is leading to diabetes, but you have to find out what is the cause. Liver is the one thing which is always involved. So if your liver is weak, diabetes is going to happen because your liver takes care of practically every function in the body.
True.
From detoxification to processing your nutrients to everything's happening in the liver. It's like the factory of your body. So if your factory is down, then the production of everything is probably down.
Yeah, true.
So that is one thing. And I said bad fats. When your visceral fat is very high, so even thin people can have high visceral fat. So that is the fat around your organs. So all your major organs, when they are lined with thick layer of fat, the nutrients can't enter in. That's when the cells become insulin resistant.
Okay. So is obesity also one of the causes of diabetes?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Because obesity, especially central obesity, belly region, is what can instantly lead to diabetes because that causes insulin resistance.
Okay, so that's why it's very important. I think people often get confused here, especially in India, when when you see somebody who's a little on the heavier side, we say weight loss karo.
Yes.
But it's not about body shaming all the time,
Yes.
or about targeting a particular person. It's also because probably it could lead to many health diseases, one such being diabetes.
Absolutely.